Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the most important questions of KCET, JEE, NEET, AIIMS. The question is, which of the following is non-crystalline solid? Option 1 CS cesium chloride, option 2 sodium chloride, option 3 calcium fluoride, option 4 is glass. CSCl, NaCl and CaF2 are crystalline solids, whereas glass is an amorphous solid. Glass is an amorphous solid. It does not has well developed perfectly ordered crystalline structure. So the answer is glass. Next question. Amorphous substance show means what are the properties of amorphous substance in given below options. Option 1 short and long range order, option 2 short range order, option 3 long range order, option 4 have no sharp melting point. We already know that amorphous substance do not have regular pattern of arrangement of atoms. That's why they have short range of order, and also they do not have definite geometry. They do not have sharp melting point. They melt over a range of temperature. So option 2 and option 4 is right. So here is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Second and 4 are correct. Next question. Which of the following is a molecular crystal? Options are silicon carbide, NaCl, graphite and ice. Silicon carbide and graphite are covalent crystals. Silicon carbide and graphite are covalent crystals. They contain covalently bonded atoms in their lattice points. NaCl is an ionic crystal. They contain oppositely charged ions at their lattice points. Ice is a molecular crystal in which constituent units are molecules and interparticle forces are hydrogen bonds. Therefore, ice is a molecular crystal and the right answer is ice. The question is the number of atoms per unit cell in a simple cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubics are respectively. The options are here. We know that simple cubic lattice has 8 particles at the 8 corners. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equals to 1. Body centered cube has also same 8 corners. Each corner is shared by 1 by 8th part of unit cell and plus 1 particle is at the center. So if we solve, we get answer is 2. For face centered cubic cell, 8 corners, each corner is shared by 1 by 8 part of the cell and it has 6 spaces, each space shared by 1 by 2 of the unit cell. So 1 plus 3 it becomes 4. The given question is simple cubic, then face centered, after that body centered. So here options answer is 1, 4, 2. The right answer is option 1 is the right answer. Next question is the total volume of atoms present in a face centered cubic unit cell of a metal. R is atomic radius. The options are 20 by 3 pi r cube, 24 by 3 pi r cube, 12 by 3 pi r cube and 16 by 3 pi r cube. They considered particle as a sphere. So volume of one particle is 4 by 3 pi r cube. As we know that FCC has 4 particles. We already derived that number of particles present in the face centered cubic cell is 4. So we have to multiply 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. We get the answer 16 by 3 pi r cube. So option 4 is the right answer. Next question is a metal has body centered cubic structure and the edge length of its unit cell is 3.04 angstrom. The volume of the unit cell in centimeter will be. They are clearly given that centimeter. The answer must be in centimeters. The options are here. So they are given edge length. A is edge length, that is 3.04 angstrom, that is equals to 3.04 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters. They already given unit cell in centimeter will be, so 3.04 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Edge length is in centimeter. So volume of the unit cell, we already know that volume of the unit cell formula is length into breadth into height, that is A into A into A, that is A cube. A value of A is 3.04 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So you have to multiply it by 3 times. 3.04 into 3 times. We get the answer of 2.81 into 10 to the power minus 23 centimeter, cubic centimeter. The right answer is option 2. The edge length of face-centered cubic cell of an ionic substance is 508 picometer. If the radius of the cation is 110 picometer, the radius of the anion will be, here the options are 144 picometer, 288 picometer, 398 picometer and 618 picometer. We already know that edge length formula A is equals to 2R. We rearrange that. R is equals to A by 2. R is the radius of the ion. So here they have given only radius of the cation. Radius of the cation plus radius of the anion is equals to A by 2. Here radius of the cation is 110 picometer. So radius of the cation is 110 picometer plus radius of the anion is unknown. So we have to determine R minus radius of the anion is equals to A. A is the edge length of the face centered cubic cell. A is equals to 508 picometer divided by 2. R minus 110 is this side. So we have to simplify this. We get the answer of 144 picometer. Here the first option 144 picometer is the right answer. The next question, the packing fraction of the element that crystallizes in simple cubic arrangement is, options are pi by 4 and second option is pi by 6, third option is pi by 3 and fourth option is pi by 2. We already know that simple cubic has only one particle. We already derived in regular class simple cubes, number of particles present in simple cubes, that is 1. So we also know the formula of packing fraction. So volume occupied by one atom, because of it is simple cubic, one atom or atom, here we use atom or particle in the unit cell, divided by total volume of the unit cell. Volume occupied by the one atom is, volume of the one atom or particle in the unit cell is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the total volume of the unit cell is A cube, that is length into breadth into height, A into A into A, that is A cube. We also know the edge length formula. Here A is edge length, A is equals to 2R. So we substitute A is equals to 2R in above. We get the answer is pi by 6. We get the answer of pi by 6. And the right answer is second. Which of the following crystals does not exhibit Frankel defect? Options are silver bromide, silver chloride, potassium bromide and zinc sulfide. Frankel defect or dislocation defect is the type of defect in crystalline solids. It occurs when smaller cation is dislocated from its normal site to interstitial site without any change in chemical properties. KBr, potassium bromide, is an alkyl halide. In this type of compound, size of the cation and anions are same, so it does not show Frankel defect. KBr doesn't show Frankel effect. The right answer is KBr. And the next question, to get an M type of semiconductor, the impurity to be added to the silicon should have which of the following number of electrons? Here the options are 1, 2, 3 and 5. N type of semiconductors are prepared by doping pentavalent elements like phosphorus or arsenic or group 15 elements. Pentavalent elements means they have 5 valence. They are having 5 valency. So the right answer is 5. Option 4 is the right answer.